Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to this episode of Garage Nerds. Today we're going to tackle the interior troubles we had on the last episode and go ahead and remedy that issue. And then we're going to actually try to finish this project today. Get everything all buttoned up and do any last minute detail stuff that we need to do. So without further delay, we're going to go ahead and get into this episode. Alright guys, so if you remember from the last episode, we had trouble with the actual seats and the vinyl dye that we used to try to get the seats. And they wasn't a consistent color. So I did contact Duplicolor, and they came back and told me that if the humidity was high on the second day that I applied the dye, it may affect the sheen and the shine to the actual vinyl. So they told me to wait till a day where the humidity is like almost close to 50 before I try to reapply. So that's what I did, and honestly, I had the same results. So what I'm decided to do now is to go ahead and replace all the vinyl in the boat. So I've ordered some new vinyl, got that coming in. So to fix this part of the project, we need to go through and kind of take everything back out of the boat that has vinyl on it, and go ahead and get that prep to actually put the new vinyl on. I think that's going to be the best option for me as I'm looking at it now. It'll make everything one consistent color, and the boat will have new vinyl in it or whatever. So we're going to go ahead and get started breaking everything down, taking everything out, and getting it all prepped for the new vinyl. So here we go, guys. Just want to give you guys an update. See, got all of the seats and stuff taken out. Here's the boat, everything back broken down to where it was before I started putting the vinyl in. So what we're going to do next is we're going to tackle this stuff and try to get all the old vinyl off and take those seats apart to see how they're constructed or whatever. So that's what we're going to be doing next, is taking the old vinyl off and taking those seats apart. So yeah, here we go. Hey guys, so we're actually going to change the process up. We're actually going to start working on this windshield here. Try to go ahead and get it polished up, get it shined up, getting the plexiglass cleared as it is now, and then go ahead and get it installed. So that's what we're going to be working on instead of taking all of the old vinyl off. We're going to do that a little later. We're going to go ahead and get into this, and then we'll go from there, guys. Yeah. So I went ahead and shined up this aluminum part here, guys. Got it all shined up. Now we're going to go ahead and attack this plexiglass. Using this product here called Acrylic Works. I've used it before to do one of these. So it should make the windshield plexiglass 10 times clearer and make it look a whole lot better. It's an easy process. You take a damp cloth rag, put some of this on the rag, and then you just polish them up and down and side to side direction until the windshield is clear. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then after that we can go ahead and install the windshield on the boat. just want to give you guys an update on where we are. We got all the vinyl off of all the old vinyl. We've gotten it taken off. We decided to go ahead and put a coat of paint on the wood pieces. And once they dry, we're ready to go ahead and reupholster them, put the new vinyl on. And then, as you guys saw in the last clip, we got the windshield on, got the ID numbers on as well. And we got all our patterns and stuff cut out, and they're laying here inside of the boat, ready for us to go ahead and put them on, put the stuff on. So what we're gonna do first is go ahead and redo this dash, get that stuff put on, and then once this dries and it's ready, we'll go ahead and start doing that stuff, buttoning it on up, and hopefully getting finished with this project. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it, and then come back afterwards and just give you guys an update. So here we are, guys. We got all the vinyl, as you can see there, was part of the vinyl here, all laid out, cut into the pattern that I needed to be cut in. So we're gonna go ahead and start reupholstering the seats and stuff. And after that, hopefully we'll be able to finish this up today and finish the project up today. So we're gonna go ahead, get into that. We're gonna go ahead and start with these two benches here first, and then just go on with the rest of the pieces. So here we go. So got everything all put together, ready to go back in the boat. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get started installing everything, and then after that, project will be done. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started installing stuff, and then we'll come back at the end and give you an overview of what it looks like. guys, so I'm gonna have to end this episode right here. I honestly thought I was gonna be able to finish the boat, finish this project in this episode, but honestly, the upholstery part took a very, very long time. It took about 7 hours to actually do or whatever. So I'm gonna end this episode here, and then I got like, the boat is probably about 99% done, and I got some little finishing details I need to do. And I think I'm gonna do those off camera. So the very next episode is gonna be a full tour of the finished boat. We're gonna go over the trailer, what it all looked like, and we're gonna actually go over the numbers, how much I spent on this project, as well as how much time I actually invested into it. So thank you guys for following along on this journey so far. I can't wait to show you guys the finished boat. And on the next episode, that's what we're gonna do. So until next time, you guys take care, and I'll see you on the next one.